Earlier we spoke about intervals in music, such as the half step and the whole step, but there are also intervals that span more distance between one another. So let's explore all the intervals that we have in music, starting with the minor second. So if I start here on the 3rd fret of the A string, which is the C note, and I go 1 half step further, this is what we call a half step, or we also call it a minor second. Now if I go 1 half step further, or a whole step from the 3rd fret to the 5th, this is what we call a whole step or a major second. Now if I go 1 half step further, it's what we call a minor third. If I go another half step forward, it's what we call a major third. If I go another half step further, it's what we call a perfect fourth. Now if I go another half step further, this is what we call a diminished 5th or augmented 4th or a tritone. Now if I go another half step further, this is what we call a perfect 5th. You can expand even further. This is what we call an augmented 5th or minor 6th, 4 whole steps. Go another half step further, or from the 3rd fret to the 12th fret. This is what we call a major 6th or diminished 7th, which is 4.5 steps. Now I can go even further, 5 whole steps from the 3rd fret to the 13th fret. And this is what we call a minor 7th. And if I go from the 2nd fret to the 13th, this is what we call a major 7th. And if I go from 3rd fret here to the 15th fret, this is what we call an octave, which is the same note but an octave higher.